something for y'all. And I appreciate how they trying to come down a little bit, not as costly. Very interested to see how your mom and them doing. Not like this. When it start getting dark, you got to go back home because see, you're not That's just me. I'm speaking on my life. Everybody's not. Come on now. Lights like this. Y'all don't know my story, bro.
Everybody spends money on what they want to spend money on.
No lace. That makes it a very healthy, protective style. I got you on the high end. I got you on the low end. Now I got you off in the middle. You see how I'm coming with it? Do y'all see how I'm coming with it? It just depends on you and your life and your check in the pocket. Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slay. I hope y'all been okay. I really want to just make sure y'all alright. How your mom and them doing? Listen, I got something else for y'all. I'm trying to do affordable options for different things, different wigs, different looks. I know sometimes the prices for certain companies can be a little bit on the high side or a lot of bit on the high side, depending on who you are, what you choose to spend your money on. Cause y'all,
everybody spends money on what they want to spend money on, honey.
Some of these prices may be astronomical to one person and to another person. They like, yeah.
Those are the only type of wigs that I buy.
It depends on you. It's people out here that'll buy a $500 belt, okay? I don't want to hear nothing about no wigs. I feel like I have to say that all the time because people be speaking on everybody's pockets. You can't do that. You can't do that, cousin. You can only speak on your pockets. Everybody's pockets is not the same. Now, why are my lights like this? Lights like this. One of my lights just like went off as if I'm not in the middle of filming. Why would you do that? This is the type of stuff y'all don't know. Y'all don't know my story, man. Y'all don't know my story, bruh. But I do realize that everybody's not. Come on now. Y'all, I'm so sorry. I think this is Uber Eats. Oh, they said that. Okay. It was Uber Eats. Okay. So, yes, I do realize everybody's on a different ends of the spectrum. And there are some people that are right smack in the middle. They don't mind paying for a wig. They just don't want to pay so much for a wig. And they don't want a super cheap wig. They off in the middle. They pay a few dollars. I just don't be ignorant with it. That's all they ask. Just don't be ignorant with it. I got something for y'all. You see? I got you on the high end. I got you on the low end. Now I got you off in the middle. You see how I'm coming with it? Do y'all see how I'm coming with it? People don't man, y'all ain't ready. I'm gonna give y'all the details right after I show love to my subscriber of the day. Damn. You're the bomb. Y'all make sure you hit that subscribe button. I want you to join the family and join the fun. Go ahead, hit it. Boop. Okay. Now, y'all. Okay, so let me tell you. CurlsCurls. I've used them before. Y'all already know. Some of y'all feel like they're on the higher end of the spectrum as far as price. Well, now they have something that's a little bit lower than what you guys may be accustomed to with CurlsCurls. They have a new wig called their Crystal Wig, and it is supposed to be the same quality as the higher end products, but it's just cheaper. Now, this will be my first time rocking their Crystal Wig, so I don't really know any of this to be true right now. We're gonna see. We're gonna find out. Hopefully, it's an equally as pleasing slay. Like I said, it's supposed to still have those same features. Curls to the root. Y'all know that matters because our curls go to the root when your hair is natural. And you know CurlsCurls specializes in textured type of hair. So the curls are supposed to still go to the root. No lace. You know, you don't have to worry about cutting the lace. I know a lot of times y'all be like, Lord, I tear my wig up every time I try to cut the lace. Why? You don't even have to worry about cutting the lace because it's not there. So with that being said, you don't have to do that. You don't have to use any glue for this wig. So I'm really excited because that makes it a very healthy, protective style. So I'm actually very interested to see if it's going to hold up its end of the bargain, you know, or if it's just that one cousin that ain't do right and come to the family reunion every once in a while when they out. But you still love them because that's your cousin, but they ain't,
You know what cousin I'm talking about.
Whenever you go to their house, you have a good old time until when it start getting dark, you got to go back home because see, you're not able to stay there after dark. But you have fun with them in the daytime. Yeah, I don't know if this wig is one of those cousins or not. I don't know. We're gonna find out though. And this crystal wig starts at $135. Now listen, if you know like I know, y'all don't know high-end wigs like I know high-end wigs, okay? And $135 is all right with me, okay? That's just me. I'm speaking on my life. You gotta do what's right for your life. I understand that. I have their 18-inch crystal wig, and I have Kinky Curly, which is 3C4A. Now this is a machine-made wig with no lace. Those are some of the things that cut down on the price. Now y'all know I'm gonna define my curls. I just do that. I'm gonna define the curls, y'all. Y'all already know how I do. And then you just put it on your head. I'm assuming like that's what's happening in my mind as I think about it, because you don't have no lace, and they say you don't need no glue or nothing like that. So I'm thinking plop on and go. That's what I'm thinking of it. That's how I see it in my mind. Now you can get all the way up to 20 inches if you want to. It just depends on you and your life and your jacket to pocket. Now I'm gonna see what we can do. Y'all, oh, let me show you the package. So y'all already know. I done used this too many times for y'all to be acting like y'all don't know. Curls, curls. Love curls. Love yourself. Amen. Amen. God is a working God, greatly to be praised. Let's see this machine-made wig. Because see, I don't know. Okay, this is real nice and soft, honey. Now I like this. Okay, this is the wig. It's very light, y'all. This is really light. You're not gonna be hot in this wig, honey. It's real light. It's right on the brink of being ignorant light. But it's not ignorant light, y'all. It's not ignorant light, but it's on the brink of it. We have 3 combs, 2 off to the side, 1 in the bite, somewhere off up and through here. You have your, there it is. Come on now. Now y'all, I'm finna get ignorant. Okay, you have your adjustable strap right there, and then you have an elastic band. This elastic band is just on here. So if you don't want it on here, you're gonna have to cut it off. This is still human hair, y'all. So you still getting that quality hair. That means you can color it, you can press it out, you can curl it, you can bleach it, whatever it is that you want to do. Just take care of it, y'all. It's looking like what I expected it to look like, and it's feeling like what I expected it to feel like. So I'm gonna just throw it on. We're gonna throw it on and see what's going on, y'all. I appreciate how they're trying to come down a little bit and give some other options that are not as costly. I definitely appreciate that. Y'all make sure y'all check it out. Just click the link right in the description box. It'll take you right over to this unit. Check it out. Play with a few options. See if it's something you want to try. If you do try, let me know. And yeah, let's go ahead and see what we can work out with this new crystal wig from Curl. Is that my daughter's phone? They're messing up the moment. Crystal wig from CurlsCurls. Let's get it.